Swat is a breathtaking valley nestled in the northern region of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, renowned as the Switzerland of the East and the paradise on earth. Swat is cherished for the inspiration drawn from its natural beauty. Swat is famous for its snow-capped mountains, lush valleys, glaciers, waterfalls and rivers, creating a breathtaking landscapes. Swat Valley, renowned for its majestic mountains, is nestled among the foothills of the Hindu Kush Range, offering opportunities for hiking, trekking, and meditation. The region features lush green valleys, snow covered glaciers, forests, meadows, and plains, making it a diverse and captivating landscape with varying geology. Swat is blessed with beautiful lakes, adding to its scenic beauty and attracting visitors for fishing, hiking, water sports, or simply relaxing in nature's splendor. With nearly 35 famous lakes, each possessing unique charm and surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, they hold rich cultural significance and mythical tales. The best time to visit Swat is during the spring and summer months, which typically span from April to October. During this period, the weather is pleasant with mild temperatures and blooming landscapes, making it ideal for outdoor activities, sightseeing, and enjoying the natural beauty of the valley.